Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the Blink Outdoor 4-wire free smart security camera. This is a game changer when it comes to exterior surveillance, and we'll tell you why. Stick around for the next 10 minutes as we explore its features, performance, and why it's considered the best in the market. First things first, let's get an overview of the Blink Outdoor 4. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for all your security needs. With a wider field of view at 143 degrees diagonal, improved image quality, and enhanced motion detection, it's a powerhouse. One of the standout features of the Blink Outdoor 4 is its video quality. You get a crystal clear 1080p HD live view, even at night, thanks to its infrared night vision. We're talking about sharp, detailed footage that ensures you don't miss a thing. Now, let's talk about something impressive: the battery life. This camera can go up to 2 years on just a set of lithium batteries. No more constant recharging or dealing with wires. It's hassle-free. Blink has taken motion detection up a notch. With dual-zone enhanced motion detection, you'll receive alerts faster than ever before. Plus, if you opt for the Blink subscription plan, you get person detection, which reduces false alarms and enhances security. You have flexibility when it comes to storing your video clips. You can choose the Blink subscription plan, which includes a free 30-day trial, or store locally with the included Sync Module 2 and a USB drive. Love voice control? You're in luck. The Blink Outdoor 4 works seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices. You can engage in live view, arm and disarm your system, and more, all with just your voice. You might be wondering what's new in this 4th generation of Blink Outdoor cameras. Well, besides the improved features we just talked about, you can expect a wider field of view, better image quality, and enhanced motion detection. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessors. Setting up the Blink Outdoor 4 is a breeze. There are no messy wires or complicated installations. You can have it up and running in minutes, and it comes with everything you need. It's important to note that the Blink Outdoor 4 is not compatible with accessories designed for the 3rd generation, so keep that in mind. However, the camera mount it comes with is an improvement over previous versions, with a flat base for added stability. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. The person detection feature, especially when paired with the Blink subscription plan, significantly reduces unwanted notifications. It distinguishes between people, objects, and animals, providing you with more accurate alerts. Here are some pros that we've found after testing the Blink Outdoor 4. Excellent video quality day and night. Long 2-year battery life. Enhanced motion detection with person detection option. Easy installation with no wires. Seamless integration with Alexa. Choice of cloud or local storage. While it's an excellent camera, it's important to consider potential drawbacks. The cost might be on the higher side, but Blink offers monthly payment options. Some users have reported occasional Wi-Fi signal strength issues, which may require router adjustments. Range detection for motion may need fine-tuning. In conclusion, the Blink Outdoor 4 is a fantastic exterior surveillance camera that offers top-notch features and performance. Its video quality, long battery life, and person detection set it apart from the competition. Whether you're concerned about the security of your home or property, this camera is a reliable choice. That wraps up our review of the Blink Outdoor 4. If you're looking for the best exterior surveillance camera on the market, this is a strong contender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.